guys. Come outside and the snow is finally here. Here. Oh. Woo. Gotta go brush off car now. Time for Eskimo days. We're doing so good. Oh, there is the... I gotta go dust off car. And Mr. William is inside. Huh? Not coming out. Leaving me to wipe off the car. So this is our official, what do you say, first snowfall of the year. Definitely snowing late this year. Definitely all the way in November. So, but that's okay. So we're actually going out because we're gonna go do some errands and do some Christmas shopping. For some reason, I am just not feeling the Christmas spirit, and it's so crazy because this is my favorite time of the year, and this is the first time of the year, the first year I don't feel the Christmas spirit at all.
So your wife you clean off here. What you do? Huh?
What?
Oh, you don't see?
Oh, who wants to see me that if you see?
You clean off your back and your front.
I didn't clean off the back. Is the back clean off? Look, the back's not clean off.
No, what clean off? Let you do.
So now you forgot that you clean off. What? How you bright? Eh? Well, me forgot they go clean up. Him see me as a man into that, him take the thing and say let him clean it off. Him run close down in a car. You are not easy, Mr. Williams. Ooh, it's cold. Y'all could see my breath. Didn't even know it was snowing out here. Yeah, so as I was saying, like, this is the first year I literally do not feel the Christmas vibe. I don't feel like decorating any Christmas tree, like nothing, guys. And that's horrible because that's generally not me. It isn't. No matter what is going on, I'm always in the Christmas spirit. But at the end of the day, I have little ones, well, little and not so little, that I was like, you know what, I still gotta make sure I go out and do shopping for. And usually would almost fully be finished my Christmas shopping by now. So you can definitely know that it's not in the spirit. And usually the house and everything, I would have already decorated. Christmas tree would have been up since Halloween finished. But yeah, the vibes is just not there this year. But such is life, you know. At the end of the day, still gotta give thanks that I'm alive, and hopefully I'll live to see it, because it's not here yet. Hey, look at this one here, talking. Hello, you're gonna break the glass. Oh my goodness. So they're just waiting. Hurry up! Look at him. Look at the sourpuss. Huh? Eh? That really wanted me to go shovel snow. Huh? But you're right. You're supposed to be the man, the gentleman. You see me out there shovel. You should come and finish and start do your thing.
You know nothing to me.
What do you mean what me not say to you? Eh? You're really doing that, babes?
You know, look at my boy now. Look at.
Make him come out. Time to pull out. No. Oh boy. You take your time. People drive like an idiot when the snow freshly start fall. So, whoa. Mario! Really?
Check your brakes.
Check your face favor, yeah. Check your brakes.
You know me check your
Don't
brakes.
play
You know
with
me
me.
check your brakes in an emergency.
Don't play with me in here.
Check your brakes and make sure that's what
When me not in here, you can't check your
You
brakes.
know, so me look how this man and no snow that though.
Eh?
Yeah?
Look, their Christmas trees outside. Or they have one outside for one for inside.
You smell in pyjama.
They didn't feel like changing, I guess. So then go in them pajama, wet it up now, and then go back in their house, go in their bed.
That's why you have to go do something about the air fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, so we're actually heading out. Like I said, I guess, and Mr. Williams need to go get his haircut.
Get the number.
It's right here.
Got it.
Why can't you call it?
Because I'm driving, I can't use a cell phone. You
Oh,
me up.
please. Which way are you going? Go, it's your turn.
Yes, me can move off.
Okay. Totally been forgetting to vlog. We just got out the store. Yeah, and it's still snowing like crazy. It's still snowing out here like crazy. Mr. Williams is looking at tools. That's his big kid candy store for him. Oh man. Woo! Brr. These are what you call hibernating weather. Woo! Right, babes? You know, see if your master's up on your face. You know, see your master's up on your face. We're going to thing? Best Buy?
Nope.
What do you mean no?
Best Buy.
We need to go into Best Buy.
No,
No, me have nothing. We're going to Best Buy.
no.
Eh? Hello, sir. Yes. Mario, you know, stop you talking. You hear what me said, do?
Okay.
I mean, a driver, you drive.
Yes, you wear the pants.
Something in our pants too.
The pants too.
Yeah, I wear the pants, but me I wear the pants. What do you think? This I look like a skirt me I wear? Eh? Does it look like a skirt I'm wearing to you? Alright, you better rethink.
Can't tell.
Can't tell. It's your face. You know, see people are try to do them last minute shopping. Why you get so much talking? See guys, I'm me wear pants. Why? Babes, huh? What? Pesa? Mario, I can't see. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Eh? You know why I'm laughing? Huh? Oh, this is exit. Mario, it's the exit. The entrance is this way. Oh. There's so much restriction. Babe, wait, no. Me want to say something. Say yes. Huh? Ah! Shit. Hello. Huh? Mr. Williams.
What?
Check Square, mobile, online. I don't even know what square we're going, but we'll just take one. Oh, look here. Babes. Wait.
How many of them?
What do you mean? Are this where we're supposed to go? I don't even know. Really? In babes? Mario, say yes. Say yes now. Mario. You know, so come say yes. Oh, this, you need to get this. You need to get it for the for it to flow. Babe, say yes now. Mr. Williams. You know, so I'm not play with you. Just say yes, I'm done now. That's not it. Say yes.
What do you mean?
Mario. Mario, say yes. Come now. Babes, the people in the wait for you say yes. You see, guys, in no say me wear pants, so you know say yes. Oh, Lord. Say yes. Oh. Listen, many people I'm thinking they abuse me. Eh? Me can't get a piggyback.
Really, babes? You are not supposed to hold me hat now.
No, I'm not. Stop being disgusting. We decided to take a break to have some lunch. Look at this one. I'm finally happy now and getting sweet potato fries. So we're just having a little mini date on a break from shopping. What did you look for?
You did drop away something.
Huh? You did make sure you look. That's hot. I didn't know they had sweet potato fries. That's why how you're actually sweet potato fries.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my